This is an old pine chest of drawers from the 1920s, and this one is from Czechoslovakia. Nice little bit of detail on each of the two corners at the top. And this one has white porcelain handles and original locks on each of the four drawers. The code for this one is G7302C. The price in the bare wood is £475, and if you would like us to wax polish it for you, the price is £527. Dimensions: it is 38 inches high, 46 inches wide and 22 inches deep.